In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zap that sends new Typeform entries into ConvertKit as subscribers in about 2 minutes. We'll be setting up a simple automation that takes each new submission from your Typeform and adds that person to a specific form or tag inside ConvertKit. This is a great way to save time, reduce manual work, and make sure new leads are captured right away. Start by creating a brand new Zap. For the trigger app, choose Typeform. Then select the trigger event called New Entry. This means the automation will run every time someone submits a new response through your form. Once that's selected, continue and connect your Typeform account if needed, then choose the specific form you want to watch. Make sure you pick the correct form here, because this is where the incoming subscriber information will come from. Next, move on to the action step. For the action app, choose ConvertKit. Then select the action event, add subscriber to form or tag. This tells Zapier exactly what you want to happen after a new Typeform response comes in. Instead of just storing the data, it will actively create or update a subscriber in ConvertKit and place them into the destination you choose. Now connect your ConvertKit account. During this part of the setup, you'll be asked for your API credentials. Enter your API key and secret to authorize the connection. Be careful to keep this information private and only enter it inside the Secure Account Connection screen. Once the account is connected successfully, continue to the field mapping step. This part is important because it tells Zapier how to move the information from Typeform into ConvertKit. Map the name field from Typeform to the subscriber name field in ConvertKit. Then map the email field from Typeform to the subscriber email field. Double check that the right fields are matched, especially the email address, since that's the main identifier used for subscribers. After that, choose the ConvertKit form or tag where you want these subscribers to be added. Review the setup one more time to make sure everything looks correct. If the sample data appears properly, you're ready for the final step. Turn on the Zap. From this point forward, every new Typeform entry will automatically be sent into ConvertKit as a subscriber and added to your selected form or tag. That's it. Your lead capture